In a world where first impressions matter, gaining respect in seconds can be a game changer. It's not about manipulation or intimidation, but rather about projecting an image of confidence, authenticity, and genuine regard for others. Let's delve into the secrets of making people respect you in seconds. Before we dive into today's content, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude. Your support means the world to me, and I love creating content that you find valuable and entertaining. If you enjoy self-improvement, mental health, and charisma talks, you're in the right place. We've got a lot more exciting stuff coming your way. So, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and let's dive into today's video: instant respect. Unveiling the keys to commanding esteem. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's get started. 1. Confident body language. The way you carry yourself speaks volumes before you utter a single word. Stand tall, shoulders back, and maintain eye contact. A firm handshake can convey strength and assurance. Confidence is contagious, and people are naturally drawn to those who exude it. 2. Listen actively. Respect is a two-way street. Demonstrating genuine interest in what others have to say creates an immediate connection. Listen actively, nod in agreement, and respond thoughtfully. It shows that you value their perspective and are open to understanding their point of view. 3. Speak clearly and concisely. When you speak, be clear and to the point. Avoid unnecessary details that may dilute your message. Clarity in communication not only demonstrates confidence, but also respects the time and attention of others. 4. Dress appropriately. Your appearance is a visual representation of how you perceive yourself and the situation. Dressing appropriately for the occasion shows that you respect the environment and the people in it. It signals that you are mindful of the importance of the moment. 5. Stay calm under pressure. Life is full of challenges, and how you handle pressure defines your character. Remaining calm and composed in stressful situations not only showcases your resilience, but also earns the respect of those around you. People gravitate towards individuals who can navigate difficulties with grace. Now, let's talk about the magic buttons down below. If you've been enjoying the content so far, give that like button a gentle tap. It's like giving me a virtual high five, and it really helps the channel. 6. Own your mistakes. Admitting when you're wrong is a sign of strength, not weakness. If you make a mistake, own it. Apologize sincerely, learn from the experience, and move forward. Acknowledging your imperfections with humility fosters an atmosphere of mutual respect. 7. Set clear boundaries. Respecting yourself is fundamental to gaining respect from others. Clearly define your boundaries and communicate them effectively. Letting people know what is acceptable and what is not shows that you have a strong sense of self-worth. 8. Be reliable. Consistency is key when it comes to earning respect. If you commit to something, follow through. Be punctual and dependable. Reliability builds trust, and trust is a cornerstone of respect. 9. Express gratitude. A simple thank you can go a long way. Acknowledge the efforts of others, whether big or small. Showing gratitude demonstrates that you recognize and appreciate the contributions of those around you. It creates a positive environment built on mutual respect. 10. Be authentic. Authenticity is magnetic. Be true to yourself, and let your genuine personality shine through. People can sense when someone is being authentic, and they are more likely to respect those who are transparent and true to their values. In conclusion, respect is not something that can be demanded. It must be earned. By embodying these principles, you can create a lasting impression and make people respect you in seconds. Confidence, active listening, clear communication, and authenticity form the foundation of instant respect. Remember, it's not about changing who you are, but about presenting the best version of yourself to the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.